that? What's that?
Wow!
What's that?
Dami na!
Brayden, look at ate.
Okay.
Wow!
I have Tito K.I.
Wow! Para pang kaya
That's Brayden. We have Among Us. Brayden, look. We have Among Us now.
Tito Beans. Where's Tito Beans?
Tawagin mo si Vince.
And Lolo Boo, Lolo Boo.
Brayden, you give for Lolo Bo. Dali. You give that to Lolo Bo.
I'll give to Lolo. That's Lolo. Dali, give Lolo. Yes.
Okay, kiss mo ako, dali. Oy, sus ako!
Oh, open then. That's your Among Us.
What's that?
That's
Open the other one.
what's that? That Among Us?
Ay, Brayden, you have another one. Brayden.
Wow!
Brayden,
Brayden!
you have another one.
What did you say? You kiss mommy. Kiss mommy. Lips na.
Wow!
You open na.
Open. Oh, open like that. You destroy it.
Destroy it.
There. Sige, open. Open. Oh, open. Dali. Oh, what's that? Eh. Go, open it.
Red. You have red.
What's that? What's that?
Destroy it.
Master
What's
Oh,
that?
it's your Lolo now.
Manay.
Master Brayden.
Oh.
So?
Hello, Brayden.
Oh, what do you say? Thank you.
Wow.
And Merry Christmas.
Yes.
Wow.
What's the color? What's that?
What's color?
Wow. Open. What's this? Huh? What's this? What's this? 1, 2, 3.
Wow! What's that? What's that?
I kill you.
Hey, this one pa, oh.
Oh, Brayden.
Hey.
You have more.
This one pa. Oh, look, oh, what's this? What's this one, oh.
Wow!
What's this?
Yeah.
Let's
I open my toys and
Oy,
I
Bri, another one pa.
Brayden, have another one.
Wow!
Lego. Are you ready tomorrow?
Let's open our toys.
Huh? How about your toys here? You don't like this one? Oh, you have. This one too. Oh, what's this? Oh, let's open. Let's open the card. Let's open.
Lumalu James.
Oh, Bri.
You have.
Lahat na kayo sa lalo.
Wow, ganda.
You have.
Uy, sus, what's that? Among Us? What's this na? What's this? Open, wait.
Ikaw ang baso.
Here, here, come. Bobby, I see. Oh, you should go in this box.
Yes.